Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ooh, you making music. Yep. You're doing a good job waiting for your breakfast. Good job. Where's Kieran? Where is Kieran? And that's the outfit great Auntie Tina bought you. Yeah. That's a nice smile you just gave her. And the tattoo that your other grandma put on you yesterday. It's a new game, right? Everything on the floor? Grandma pick it all up?